We getting up? What about you, Sally? Time to get up? You guys need your collars on before we go outside. Okay, let's go get your collars. I know, it's cool, eh? You can go running around. You can come look at the scenery. Sally likes it. Come on, show me. Show me. Big D's like, yeah, no, I'm not doing that. So I've made the dogs kind of a figure-8 racetrack. As I mentioned to some, I've got the fencing done. So this is a kind of, I don't know if we call it the front yard or the backyard. And then I've got this gate. And then I made a racetrack, a figure-8, sort of. Looks kind of like the 8s that I drew in grade 2. Actually, I still draw 8s that look like this. All the way around here. There's Sally going up the other side. Woo! Okay, Big D's decided this is okay. There's your racetrack, you guys. Now I gotta go do the rest of it. That's just part 1. Isn't it? Big D's gotta make sure everybody knows this is his racetrack. Thanks, Big D. Now, let's see what I need to do to get my car out onto the highway, which is about 1 kilometer away. This is the fun part. And I don't know how much video I'm going to be able to take of this. There's the first stretch. See, lots of people look at that and go, oh my goodness. I look at that and think, this is going to be fun. Weirdo, I know. Anyway, I might turn the camera on a couple of times while I'm blowing the snow so you can see the inside perspective, but I am not going to video the whole kilometer and the hill and everything to get up to the highway. But this is my current endeavor. I've got great coffee, and I've got Harry Potter, so it's all good.